Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. So this topic we had discussed in the last lecture. Okay. And before that, we had finished concept of matrix theory, adjacency matrix and incidence matrix, and we derive its matrix as well as its graph. Okay. If any of the matrix is given that, and we have also draw it graph. Okay. And based on the definition of adjacency matrix and incidence matrix, we can convert any of the graph to the matrix form, okay, by using the binary value 1 and 0. Clear? 1 means they are connected as adjacence as well as incidence, and 0 means there are no any relation as a adjacent and incidence. Okay, so that part we had finished in the last lecture, and then after we also complete this for cut set concept in the last lecture, I think. Okay, then. Okay, so let's quick revise this concept. What is meaning of cut set? What is meaning of cut set? We consider a set of edges. Okay, we consider one set of edge, and then after remove this set of edges from the graph, make the graph disconnected, and then after one more conditions you have to verify that it should not have any proper subset which makes again graph disconnected. ठीक है, उसका कोई फिर से सबसेट नहीं होना चाहिए तो ग्राफ को डिस्कनेक्ट करे. ठीक है, मींस इट हैज नो एनी ऑफ इट्स प्रॉपर सबसेट which makes again graph disconnected. So that is a complete definition of cut set. Okay, and then after one of the graph is given here, okay, you can consider any of the graph in place of that. That is for our reference how we can consider a cut set. Okay, you can use any graph in place of that and you can derive some example. Clear? So here one of the example is given that we just delete ACDF edges. Okay, ACDNF. That dash line is mentioned, that means you have to delete these edges. ये आपको delete करना है graph में से. ठीक है, that is your main graph. And after deletations of these 4 edges, we get this two partition. Clear? When we delete ACDF, that is edge A, that is C, D, and F. Okay, you have to delete these 4 edges from the graph. Means graph में से उसको remove करना है. ठीक है? And what will be the remaining step after deletations of this 4 edge? ठीक है, 4 edge के बाद ग्राफ का क्या partitions बचेगा? That you have to mention it here. ठीक है? So these are the remaining part when we delete these 4 edges. Clear? So we can divide this graph into the two part. Clear? When we delete these 4 edges. But you have to also verify one more condition, that ACDF, okay, that is our set of edges. ACDF, that is our set of edges which makes a graph disconnected. Okay, graph into the two partition now. But you have to also verify one more condition, that it should not have any of it proper subset which makes again graph disconnected. Means इसका कोई subset आप define करो. ठीक है, ACDF universal set, इसका कोई भी subset आप लोगे. ठीक है, ACD only, ACF only, okay, CDF only, and check this subset to this graph. Okay, and remove this subset edges from the graph, and can we get graph disconnect or not? If it is not disconnected, means this is example of cut set. Okay, so this way we can verify any example is a cut set or not. Okay, and here some more cut set are you can define. Okay, singleton K, that is a cut set we can consider. That is HD ACH we can consider as a cut set. ABG we can consider as a cut set. Okay, many cut set we can consider from any of the graph. Clear? And these are the explanation is given here. And cut set is also known as a co-cycle. And now for graph of tree, if you remove any of the edge from the graph of tree, which makes a graph disconnected. So every edge represent a cut set in the graph of tree. Clear? Tree का set means connected without any circuit. So every edge represent one of the cut set. Clear? Every edge of the tree is known as a cut set. And that applications we also discussed during this lecture. Okay, then application. Okay. So when we can apply, okay, where you can use the cut set concept. Clear? What is the application of cut set? So that is mention it here by using one of the example of communication network. Clear? And you have to identify which is the weak spot. Okay. And then after you can provide some additional telephone network, additional telephone line. Clear? by using the concept of cut set. Clear? So here this given is one of the graph is that, and you have to consider it is one of the real situation. Consider 6 vertex is a 6 different city, and the edges means telephone network between this all the city. Clear? Between these two city. So V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. There are 6 cities located in such graph. Okay, and they are connected by the telephone line. The edge means a telephone line. Okay. So from V1 we have 3 telephone network here because there are 3 telephone line. From V2 there is a 4 telephone network. From V3, okay, V4, V5, and as a V3, the last city, okay, V3, it has only 1 telephone network. Clear? So if you destroy this 1 telephone network, then V3 is disconnect with the rest of all the city. Okay, the V3 city will be disconnect with the rest of all the city. If you disconnect this edge, only single telephone line is there. Okay, if you destroy it, यहाँ से आप इसको destroy कर दो, ठीक है? That means a cut set. Okay, that is a singleton edge only, and mention any name for that. And now delete this edges, otherwise destroy it. Otherwise, any of the error happen to this edge that, okay, telephone line that, then we cannot connect, okay, V3 city persons by any of the telephone line. Clear? So that we can maintain by using the cut set concept. So that is one of the example we had discussed in that last lecture. And then after now start with some more example. I think that we also finished. Okay. Okay. So let's keep it. Now today we'll start next topic of this unit. That is known as a fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit. Okay. So first you have to know what is meaning of cut set. Okay. And based on that we can define the fundamental cut set. Clear? Based on that we can use the fundamental cut set as well as fundamental circuit. So let us first quick revise what is meaning of spanning tree. Clear? Because one of the part of spanning tree is required here to define the fundamental cut set. So can anyone explain what is meaning of spanning tree? Yes. T is known as a spanning tree of the connected graph G if T contain all the vertex of G and T as a subgraph of a G. Okay, T is a subgraph of G and T contain all the vertex of the G. Okay, that is known as a spanning tree. Okay, that is unit 4 concept, spanning tree. So here the edge of the spanning tree is known as a branch, and edge of the G which is not a spanning tree, that known as a chord. What is meaning of that? Let us consider one of the graph here. Clear? And then after we can start the definition. I can clear simple graph right now, and then after you can consider for any graph. That is a graph, okay? And 4 vertex include, that is A, B, C, D, okay? And let us mention the edge name. That is E1, E2, E1, E2, E3, E4, and E5. Clear? So how we can create spanning tree of this graph? Okay, what is the first step to derive the spanning tree? Circuit rank. Yeah, very good. Okay, check the circuit rank. Edges are 5, vertex are 4. So 5 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 2. Means you delete 2 edges to make this graph as a tree. Clear? So I consider this is a graph as a tree. Clear? This is my spanning tree of this given graph. ये मेरा spanning tree है. ठीक है? I delete the 2 edges. Now this graph as a tree. Okay, that is all vertex are connected and it has no any cycle. Okay, so it consider E1 edge and after E5 and then after E2. Clear? So we have this main graph that is a G. Clear? Which is connected graph which include 5 edges and so on. And then after I make one of the spanning tree of this graph. So I consider 3 edges to the spanning tree. Which 3 edges? E1, E5 and E2. So this 3 edges is known as a branch. Okay, the edges of the spanning tree is known as a branch. So E1, E2 and E5 are known as a branch of the spanning tree, and which edges remaining a part of the spanning tree, but it is a part of the graph. It is known as a chord. So which edges are known as a chord? Remaining. Which is remaining? E3 and E4. So E3 and E4 are known as a chord. Is it clear? The edges include in a tree that is known as a branch. edges which is not included in a tree, but it is a part of the graph, it is known as a chord. Clear? So which edge we have not include? E3 and E4. Okay, this edge I have not include here, and this edge I have not include here. So this E3 and E4 is known as a chord. Okay, so definition, one of the result we have to consider here. Edges of the spanning tree is known as a branch, and edges of the G that is not in the spanning tree, that is known as a chord. Okay. So here branch set is equal to E1, E2, E5, E1, E2 and E5, and chord is equal to E3 and E4. Is it clear how we can derive the answer? That depends on the spanning tree. If you change the spanning tree, then both answer will be changed. Clear? Right now I consider this spanning tree. If I change the spanning tree, in place of that, if I consider another graph, okay, I consider this graph as a spanning tree. That is another spanning tree of this graph. So now branch set will be changed. Okay, E1, E2, E3 will be the branch set. Okay, and E5 and E4 will be the chord. Clear? So that depends on the spanning tree, which spanning tree you consider here. As per that, we can create a set. Clear? So that is now easy. Thus create a spanning tree, and the edges included in a spanning tree, that is known as a branch. And then after edges which is not included in a spanning tree, but it is a part of the graph, it is known as a chord. Now based on this concept, we'll define the definition. So what is the definition of fundamental cut set? The cut set S of the graph G containing exactly one branch of the spanning tree T. The cut set S, okay, that is notation of cut set. Cut set S of the graph G containing exactly one branch of the spanning tree. Exactly one branch of the spanning tree of G is called the fundamental cut set with respect to T. Means you have to find one of the set of edges, clear, which is represent a cut set. And now in such set of edges, you have to check that it should contain only one branch, and rest of edges should be the chord. Okay, you have to consider the set of edges. We consider set of edges as a cut set, and in such cut set, you have to verify that it should involve only one branch, and rest of edges should be the chord. Clear? So that type of cut set is known as a fundamental cut set. Clear? You have to consider up to the cut set definition. Okay, check that your graph is disconnect or not, and then after you have to verify the edges. In such edges, one edge should be the branch, and rest of edges should be the chord. Okay, so this type of cut set is known as a fundamental cut set. Okay, so let us consider one of the graph here, and then after we can check in this lots of example to this graph. Okay, so this is a graph is given. Okay, how many vertex to this graph? 6 vertices. Clear? So what is the first step to derive the fundamental cut set answer? We create one of the spanning tree of this graph. Okay, what is the first step to derive the fundamental cut set?
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, late join here. Sir, spanning tree,
part of unit number 4. Okay, right now you learn about how to create spanning tree. That also I will explain you. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So here one of the graph is given that. Clear? How many vertex is this graph? 6 vertices. Okay, right now the vertex notation is not visible. That is okay. Well, but 6 vertex to this graph, and it is this type of step. So what is the first step to derive the fundamental cut set answer? Create it spanning tree. ठीक है, ये connected graph है. It involves some cycle here. उस cycle को आपको remove करना and make one of the shape of tree, which all the vertex should be included, and it should not contain any type of circuit. ठीक है. So first I will check its circuit rank. Okay, to create a spanning tree, what is the first step? I will define its circuit rank. What is the answer of circuit rank? That is 9 edges include. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 9 edges. 6 vertex. 9 minus 6 plus 1. M minus n plus 1. That is formula of circuit rank. So 9 minus 6 plus 1 is equal to 4. Means you have to delete 4 edges to make the spanning tree of this graph. आपको कितनी डिलीट करनी होगी? 4 एज निकालनी होगी ऐसी कि जिससे आप इसकी स्पैनिंग ट्री बना सको. ठीक है. So let's create one of the spanning tree here. That is already mentioned by this dark line. Okay, but let us draw here separate graph. Consider 6 vertex as it is. Clear? These are the 6 vertex. I consider this edge in the spanning tree, and after this one, okay, this one, clear? I delete the 4 edges. Which 4 edges? A, D, F, and G. This I have deleted. Okay, let's mention the notation also. That is edge A, that is a B, it is a D, it is a E, it is a F, G, H, and the K. Okay, these are the notation. And here it is a C. Clear? So which edge I have included in the spanning tree? I consider B, I consider C, then after E, then after H, and then after K. Clear? And which 4 edge I have not include? A, D, F, and G. Clear? This 4 edge I have deleted. And now all the 6 vertex are included here in this graph. Clear? All are connected and it has no any cycle. So it is known as a spanning tree of this graph. I can also use the different graph in place of that. Okay, so we'll get a different answer. But as per this answer, we can also find some answer. Clear? So as per this graph, now we'll derive the fundamental cut set. Clear? So which edges are known as a branch? B, C, E, H, and K. These are the branch. Okay. This set are known as a branch. Why it is a branch? Because these edges are part of the spanning tree. These edges, these 5 edges are the part of the spanning tree. Therefore, these edges are known as a branch. Now, which edges are known as a chord? It is a
Remaining.
F, and G. Okay, A, B, F, G. This is known as a chord. Clear? Which is not a part of the spanning tree. उस edge को क्या बोलना है? It is a chord. Okay. If it is a part of the spanning tree, then it is known as a chord. Is it clear up to this? Any confusion? Okay. First step, one of the graph will be there. Okay. Identified one of the spanning tree. Okay. And as per the spanning tree, decide these two set. If I change the spanning tree, अगर मैं इस graph पूरा बदल देता हूँ, ठीक है? I consider another graph in place of that, then this both set will be changed. Clear? That is for this spanning tree only. So these are my spanning tree edge to this graph. Okay, this red line. Okay, these are my spanning tree edge to this graph. Okay, A, B, E, G, H. And now I'll derive the cut set. Okay, I'll find some cut set example, and in such cut set you have to cover only one branch, and rest of edges should be the core. ठीक है, एवो कट सेट તમારે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. ક્લિયર? જેનાથી ગ્રાફ ડિસ્કનેક્ટ થાય અને એ સેટની અંદર જે એજ તમે કાઉન્ટ કરો છો એમાં એક એજ બ્રાન્ચ હોવી જોઈએ, બાકીની બધી એજ કેવી હોવી જોઈએ? કોડ. ઓકે, so let's start derive the answer. Okay, so first example I can consider.
સર
Yes,
સર પેલા ખાલી ઓલું એક્સપ્લેન કરી દેજો ને ખાલી સ્પાનિંગ ટ્રી.
it will take some time. Okay, फिर डायरेक्ट नहीं आवड़े.
ઓકે સર પછી
one of the graph of spanning tree. Clear? કઈ રીતે આવે પછી શીખી લેશો. ઓકે,
ઓકે સર.
just consider that is one of the spanning tree. ठीक है, જે ગ્રાફ તમને આપેલો છે મેઇન ગ્રાફ, એમાં એ ગ્રાફને તમારે ટ્રી માં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનો છે. ક્લિયર? So it is one of the tree here, and we derive this graph from this main graph, so it is known as a spanning tree. Okay, so I consider the first cut set, that is involve the two vertex, two edges. Clear? That is A and B. When we delete A and B from the graph, okay, delete A and B. A and B, okay, it's red line. Okay, that is my spanning tree edge, and for easily verification, therefore I overlap it here. Okay, so when we delete A and B, V1 will be disconnect with the rest of all the part. Okay, delete A and B only of the graph. ये यहाँ पे A है, and that is a B here. Okay, that is A and B. Now remove this. So this vertex is V1. यहाँ पे V1 है, so V1 will be disconnect with the rest of all the part. Okay, it is one of the cut set. Clear? Because AB का कोई भी subset नहीं है जो फिर से cut set represent करे. Clear? So AB is clearly example of cut set, and now it is known as a fundamental cut set. So why it is fundamental cut set? Because in this set, okay, there are two edge only, and one of the edge is branch. So B is a branch there, and rest of edges should be the chord. So this cut set is known as a fundamental Okay, this is known as a fundamental cut set. Okay, why it is fundamental cut set? Again, I repeat that you have to consider one of the set of edges which makes the graph disconnected. Okay, and now it is fundamental cut set. Why it is fundamental cut set? As per the spanning tree T, as per this spanning tree, the set involve one edge is a branch and rest of edges are core. Okay, let's find some more example. Second cut set, you can consider here, that is a ACD. Just consider A, C, and D. ACD, okay? That is a edge A, that is a C, A, C, and D. So यहाँ पे जो V2 vertex है, that will be disconnect with the rest of all part, okay? And there is no any of its proper subset which makes again graph disconnect. So ACD, how many edges are there? 3 edges, okay? Where A and D are the chord and C is only the branch. So it exists only one branch and rest of edges are the chord. Is it clear? So ACD is also known as a fundamental cut set. Clear? V2 will be disconnect with this rest of all the graph. So it is cut set there, and then after you have to verify it is fundamental cut set or not. So in such cut set you have to verify only one edge should be the branch and rest of edges should be the chord. Is it clear? Okay. Now third cut set you can consider, that is a DEF. Okay, delete D, E, and F. D, E, and F. Okay, remove the DEF from this middle of this graph. Okay, all the 3 edges. So DEF को delete कर दो बीच में से. So this side you will get one triangle and this side you will get one triangle. Oh, so these are disconnected now. And in such DEF, that is one set of edges. And when we delete the DEF from this graph, which makes graph into the 2 part. Okay. And in such set of edges, E is a branch and D and F are the chord. Clear? So it exists only one branch, which is E, and D and F are known as a chord. Okay, so that is also one more example. Okay, and then after we can consider DEHK. Is it example of fundamental cut set? DEHK. Sorry, DEGK. That's HK is the different one. DEGK. G and K. DEGH. Okay, DEGH. Is it a fundamental cut set? D को delete करना, E को, G and H को. So which vertex will be disconnected? V4 will be disconnected with the rest of all part. So is it a fundamental cut set? Is it a cut set? Is it a cut set? Okay. Now is it a fundamental cut set? Why it is not fundamental cut set? Because it involves the 2 branch. And our condition is you have to cover, you have to involve only single branch, only one branch. Okay. So which 2 branch I have involved? E and H. Okay. E and H both are the branch. Okay, because a part of the tree. So therefore it is not a fundamental cut set. Okay. So based on that we can derive one result that every cut set is not a fundamental cut set. Every cut set is not a fundamental cut set, but every fundamental cut set is always a cut set. Okay, every fundamental cut set. These 3 examples are the cut set, and they also are a fundamental cut set. Clear? But this is a cut set, not a fundamental cut set. Clear? So every cut set will not be the fundamental cut set, but every fundamental cut set is always a example of cut set. Clear? So that is not a fundamental cut set. Okay. Why it is? Again I repeat that because it involves the 2 branch. Which 2 branch? One is a E and second is a H. It involves the 2 various branch there. Therefore it is not a fundamental cut set. Okay. And then after we can consider HGF. H, G and F. H को delete करना है, G को, and then after F को. So HGF, H is the branch and G and F is the chord. Okay, so that is also cut set. Clear? यहाँ से 3 H को निकालना है. H यहाँ पे है, G यहाँ पे और एक F यहाँ पे. Delete this one and this part will be disconnect with the rest of all. Clear? So HGF is also fundamental cut set because H is the only branch and G and F is the chord. Okay. One more is given here. That is KGF. Okay. KGF. K is only branch and G and F are known as a chord. Okay. So this way we can predict the fundamental cut set. Clear? If I change the spanning tree. Clear? If I consider another graph in place of that, then this all data will be modified. All answer will be changed. Clear? All the answer will be changed. तो कौन सी स्पानिंग ट्री आप लेते हो ग्राफ के लिए, उस स्पानिंग ट्री पे आपका आंसर डिपेंड होगा. ठीक है, उस स्पानिंग ट्री पे ये सारा आंसर डिपेंड होगा. ठीक है, सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्पानिंग ट्री टी. If I change the spanning tree, then branch set will be changed and code will be changed. Clear? For example, in place of this graph, okay, if I consider this spanning tree, clear, I consider G as a branch. Clear? So now as per this graph, all the data, okay, all the counter example will be changed. Clear? I consider this graph now. So H की K की, अब हमने कौन सा चेंज किया, K की जगह पे मैंने G लिया है. Okay, that is also spanning tree. This part will be changed. यहाँ पे आएगा G and H, okay, और यहाँ पे आएगा K. So इस हिसाब से ग्राफ डिफाइन करो. ठीक है, ओवरलैप करो लाइन, कौन सी आपने स्पानिंग ट्री ली है, एंड देन आफ्टर डिराइव सम आंसर. स्पानिंग ट्री में हाँ, क्लियर. So that is fundamental cut set concept. Is there any confusion? Any doubt? कोई भी ग्राफ हो, ठीक है, you can consider any counter example in place of that. What is the first step? You have to predict one of its spanning tree. आपको पहले उसकी एक spanning tree बनानी, ठीक है, and then after find the two set. One is a branch and second is a chord. Is it clear? And as per that, you have to predict now cut set. And in such cut set, to verify that it should involve only one branch and rest of edges should be the chord. Yes, બોલો.
તો સર આપણે બ્રાન્ચ અને કોડ આપણને મળી જાય,
Yes.
એના પછી આપણે જે કટ સેટ બનાવી
Yes.
તો એ નક્કી જ ના હોય ને કે ફંડામેન્ટલ કટ સેટ છે કે નથી.
નહીં, એમાં પછી તમારે ચેક કરવાનું ને કે એમાં એક જ બ્રાન્ચ રહેવી જોઈએ ને બાકીને બધી કોડ રહેવી જોઈએ.
ઓકે, તો એ મતલબ જે કન્ડિશન આપેલી હોય તો એ ફૂલફિલ કરે એટલે ફંડામેન્ટલ કટ સેટ,
હા, યસ,
અને ના કરે તો એ ખાલી કટ સેટ.
હા, ના કરે તો ખાલી.
ઓકે.
So these are the example is given here. Okay, let's revise the definition also. Clear? The cut set S of the graph G containing exactly one branch of the spanning tree T of the G with respect to the T. Okay, a fundamental cut set with respect to T. With respect to T, this word is important for us. Okay, with respect to T means if we change the T, then cut set will be changed. Clear? If we change the new graph, okay, you consider new graph in place of the spanning tree, then it will be changed. So sometimes the fundamental cut set is also known as a basic cut set, and consider this graph, okay, that we already checked. Clear? And based on that, we can derive these are the example of fundamental cut set. In the above graph, E is a branch of the G with respect to the T, and consider the cut set DEF. Okay, it's DEF where E is the branch and D and F are known as a chord of the graph G, and cut set as containing only one branch E of the T, and rest of edges are the chord with respect to T. And here S is known as the fundamental cut set of the G. Okay, DEF where E is the branch and D and F are known as a chord. Okay, and we can also include a more example in place of the only one example is given that, but you can also include this all the data. Clear? That already mentioned in the graph here. Okay, graph में already mentioned here कि कौन से fundamental cut set define होंगे. Okay, in such graph, okay, that already mentioned is this black shaded line. Okay, that is our spanning tree. Clear? This I consider spanning tree H. So these are the branch B, C, D, E, H, and K. Clear? And now find the cut set. So AB is a fundamental cut set. Clear? AACD is a fundamental cut set. DEF is a fundamental cut set. Clear? Then after HGF is a fundamental cut set, and then after KGF is a fundamental cut set. Clear? That already mentioned in the graph here. You can just explain it. Okay. So next definition, okay, based on this same theory, that is known as a fundamental circuit. Clear? So what is meaning of fundamental circuit? We consider a spanning tree T of the connected graph G, and let C be the chord with respect to T. C be the chord with respect to T, and let the circuit R. R is a notation. Okay, circuit C1, C2, C3 is a R. Okay? R is a circuit, made by the chord C and the collection of branches, sequence of the branches, B1, B2, B3 up to Bk. Okay? So with respect to T, then R is known as a fundamental circuit with respect to T. Means you have to consider one of the circuit of the from the graph, and in such circuit you have to involve only one chord, and rest of edges should be the branch. So what is meaning of circuit? Yeah, what is definition of circuit? It is a closed walk where no such vertex repeated. Okay, so in such closed walk आपको ऐसी एक closed walk ग्राफ में डिफाइन करनी है, ठीक है, after the spanning tree. So to define such closed walk, and in such closed walk you have to just covered only one chord. आपको एक ही chord लेनी है closed walk में, और बाकी सब एज क्या होनी चाहिए? A branch. ठीक है, that is known as a fundamental circuit. फिर ऐसी क्लोज वॉक आपको ग्राफ में डिफाइन करनी है, and in such close walk you have to just involve only single chord and rest of edges should be the branch. ठीक है, here you not predict the cut set. Cut set means graph disconnected. Okay, consider same graph right now, clear? And then after check how many close walk you can predict, and in such close walk can we covered only single chord and rest of edges are the branch or not. If it is possible, then such circuit is known as a fundamental circuit. Clear? This B1, B2 up to Bk, these are arbitrary notation. C is also arbitrary notation. Okay, R is also arbitrary notation. Clear? What is meaning of this definition? You have to cover only one chord and rest of edges should be the branch. In such closed walk, you have to cover only one chord and rest of edges should be the branch. Okay, so let's verify for the same graph. Yeah, that is the same graph is given, clear? And let's edges should be the chord. Okay, we cover only the single branch and rest of edges should be the chord. Clear? So let's find one of the answer. Just consider the first close walk as a V1 B, V1 A V2, C V3 and B V1. V1 A V2, C V3, B V1. Okay, which close walk I have considered? V1 A V2. Okay, then after V2 C V3, V3 B V1. That is a close walk. It is look like a circuit V1 to V1. Okay, it is circuit. And now check that how many edges I have included in circuit? 3 edges, A, C and B. Clear? I have included 3 edges in my circuit A, C and B. Clear? So now check this set of edge, and in such set of edge we consider only single chord and rest of edges should be the branch. ठीक है, एक ही कोड होनी चाहिए, बाकी सब एज क्या होनी चाहिए? ब्रांच. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ए जो है वो हमारी कोड है. ओके, एंड बी एंड सी क्या है? दिस आर द ब्रांच. सो दिस सर्किट इज नोन एज अ फंडामेंटल सर्किट. This circuit is called the fundamental circuit. एक ही कोड लेनी है बाकी सब एज क्या होनी चाहिए? दिस आर द ब्रांच. क्लियर? लेट्स डिराइव अनदर एग्जांपल. Consider this upper triangle. Okay, that is the first example. Now consider second example. That is a V2 dV4 EV3. Okay, and CV2. Now V2 to V2. Clear? Upper triangle. This V2 dV4, V2 dV4. Then after EV3, CV2. Clear? So that is also close walk. ठीक है, V2 से V2 close walk बनती है वहां पे. It is also one close walk that. And how many edges it include? 3 edges. Okay, which 3 edges? C, D, E, where C and E are the branch and D is only the chord. Clear? So that is also known as a fundamental circuit. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's derive another example. Yeah, let us consider this example. V3 EV4 GV5 FV3. Is it a fundamental circuit? V3 to V3 की क्लोज वॉक बनानी है. ठीक है, V3 E V4 GV5 FV3. ठीक है, दिस बिलो ट्राइंगल. So is it a fundamental circuit? Why it is not fundamental circuit? Because it involve two chord. Okay, उसमें क्या कितनी chord involve है? There are two chord involved. Which two chord? G and F both are the chord. Okay, GB chord है और FB chord है, and only E is a branch. So our definition is that you have to consider only single branch and rest of edges should be the chord. आपको एक ही branch लेनी है, बाकी सब edge क्या रहनी चाहिए? Sorry, आपको एक ही chord लेनी है, बाकी सब edge क्या होनी चाहिए? Branch. Clear? So therefore this is a circuit. Okay, it is clearly a circuit there from V3 to V3, but it is not a fundamental circuit. Okay, we can consider as an example of circuit, but why it is not fundamental circuit? What is the condition of fundamental circuit? So to involve only one branch and rest of edges should be the chord. आपको एक ही branch लेनी है, बाकी सब edge क्या लेनी है? Branch लेनी है. ठीक है? So V3 EV4 GV5 FV3 it involve the two branch. Okay, sorry, two chord, and therefore it is not a fundamental cut step. Clear? So it is not answer. Clear? And then after we can predict this answer. Clear? We can consider this one. That is, yeah, is it a close walk? Okay, this red line from V3 to V3 again. So it is also close walk. Okay, how many edges it include? 4 edges. Okay, which 4 edges? E, H, K, and F. Okay, E, H, K, F, and where E, H, and K are the branch, and only F is the chord. Clear? F एक ही chord है, बाकी सब edge क्या है? These are the branch. Clear? So it is known as a fundamental circuit. Okay, and then after we can consider this left hand side triangle. Okay, V4, V6, and V5. Okay, that is also the fundamental circuit. Clear? It depends on the graph. How many vertex? There is no any fixed data. Clear? That is also one of the circuit. Clear? V4H, V6K, V5G, V4. Clear? And how many edges include 3 edges? And which are the branch and which are the chord? G is the chord only, and H and K are the branch. Clear? And this all the answer, it depends on this spanning tree. Okay, if I change the spanning tree, then this all the answer will be changed. Okay, it with respect to the spanning tree. If I change the spanning tree, then all the answer will be changed. Any confusion in both the case? Is it clear to all? Any confusion? Okay, it will be asked in a questions paper such a way that define fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit with example. Clear? Define fundamental cut set and fundamental circuit with example. So to mention both the definition first, okay, and then after consider any of the graph. Okay, any of the graph there, and then after create its spanning tree, and as per the spanning tree derive the answer. Clear? As per the spanning tree derive the answer. जो भी स्पैनिंग ट्री आपने ली है, फर्स्ट इट शुड बी द करेक्ट, ओके, एंड देन आफ्टर डिराइव द आंसर. क्लियर? While a fundamental cut set find करना है, then after write fundamental circuit. Clear? Yeah, is there any confusion to anyone in any of the steps? Any doubt? Okay. So here these are the example is mentioned that, okay, in such explanation concept. Yeah. In this above example means our graph, okay, जो graph हमने लिया अभी उसमें. In the above example ABC, okay, that is one of the expression of the circuit that, okay, one of the expressions of circuit. ABC means you have to create one of the circuit by using the ABC edge. Clear? That is one of the answer of the circuit. Clear? हमने क्या लिखा था? V1 A V2 then after C V3 D B V1. Okay, that is one of the circuit we consider. And in place of that, we mention only the edges. Clear? As R equal to ABC, R1 equal to ABC, R2 is equal to DEF, R3 is equal to this one. These all are the fundamental circuit. Okay, which involve by using this 3 edge we can create one circuit. Okay, by using this 3 edge we can create one circuit. And by using this 4 edge we can create one circuit, which is known as a fundamental circuit. Why it is fundamental circuit? Because here this is a code only, B and C are the branch. Okay, here C is the code, so E is the code and DN is the branch. Okay, and same for this one. Clear? That is one of the another representation. Now, based on this topic, we can define the connectivity. Clear? First is edge connectivity. That is similar to the cut vertex form. Sorry, cut set form. And then after we define the vertex connectivity. So what is meaning of edge connectivity? One of the graph is given, okay, and you have to derive all its cut set. ठीक है, जितने भी cut set आप derive करो पहले. And then after identify the smallest cut set. So how we can identify smallest cut set, which involve the minimum edges. Okay, which involves such cut set the minimum number of edges. That cut set is known as a smallest cut set. So the number of edge means the count. Number of edge involved in the smallest cut set, that is known as the edge connectivity of this graph. Okay, that is known as a edge connectivity of this graph. Means we just predict the smallest cut set first, and then after check how many edges are involved in the smallest cut set. That is called the edge connectivity. Is it clear? Okay, let's consider one of the graph here. And let's predict it edge connectivity. Then after we'll check vertex connectivity. ठीक है, कट सेट कोई प्रीफर करना है आपको, and then after check that what will be the smallest cut set. ठीक है, that is one of the graph is given. Yeah, that is one number edge, that is a 2 number, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 edges are there. ठीक है, and let us derive it cut set. So which are the cut set? 1, 3, okay, then after singleton 2, then after 1, 5, 6, clear? Then after 3, 4, 5, these all are the cut set, clear? That is one of the graph here, cut sets. Okay, first definition, not a fundamental cut set and circuit. Cut set means to find some set of edges which makes a graph disconnect. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से मैं 2 को डिलीट कर देता हूँ, तो this vertex will not disconnect with the rest of all. So singleton 2 is a cut set. Okay, same for 1 और 3 को डिलीट कर दो, 1 और 3 को, so this part will be disconnect with rest of all. So 1 and 3 is also cut set, clear? Then after 1, 5, 6 is also cut set, clear? This vertex will be disconnect. Then after 4 and 6 is also cut set, 3, 5, 6 is also cut set, 1, 5, 4 is also cut set, 3, 5, 6 is also cut set. All are the cut set. Clear? And now you have to find which one is the smallest cut set. Which one is the smallest cut set?
2.
It is singleton 2. Why it is the smallest cut set? Because it involves the minimum number of edge. कंपैरिजन टू द ऑल कट सेट. इसमें मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ एज काउंट इन्वॉल्व है, therefore it is known as the smallest cut set. And how many ages involved in this cut set? Only one. So what is the age connectivity of this graph? Of 1. Clear? What is the age connectivity of this graph? What is the definition? In each cut set of the connected graph G. These are the each cut set of the connected graph G. Okay? These are the every cut set of connected graph G. Consist of certain number of age, and the number of ages in the smallest cut set is defined as the age connectivity of this graph. This is the smallest one. Okay? And then after find how many ages are involved in it. Clear? Yes. That is the 2. Let's consider one more example. Okay, let's remove this age. ठीक है, इसको मैं remove कर देता हूँ. And now consider that is a 4 year. Okay, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 ages are that. So how many cut set? One is a 1, 2. Clear? Then after 1, 4, 5. Then after 2, 3, 5, and 3 and 4. So it has a 2 cut set, okay, which has a age 2. Our aim is you need to find smallest cut set. दोनों smallest ही है हमारे केस में तो, ठीक है, दोनों में दो एज इन्वॉल्व है. So both are the smallest cut set. So any one you can consider for your answer. ठीक है, कोई भी एक आप ले सकते हो उसमें से. ठीक है, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे भी आपको दो एज निकालनी होगी 1 and 2 to disconnect this part. यहाँ पे भी आपको दो एज निकालनी होगी to disconnect this vertex. 3 and 4 यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा 1 and 2. These both are the smallest one. Clear? And for answer you can consider any of the count. Clear? Any of the count from 1 to either 3, 4. So both will be the same. So what is the age connectivity of this graph? That is a 2. Is it clear? What is the age connectivity of this graph? It is a 2. And now let's finish this one, and then vertex connectivity we'll discuss next time. Clear? So age connectivity of the tree is 1. Age connectivity of the tree is 1. What is meaning of tree? It is a connected graph without any cycle. That is one graph of tree. So age connectivity of any tree, कोई भी tree है, okay, with any number of vertices, that what will be the age connectivity? Is 1. Clear? By using a single edge only, we can make a graph disconnected. Okay, let's create one of the tree here. Okay, that is a graph of tree. All the vertex are connected. It has no any cycle. तो इसकी वर्टेक्स एज कनेक्टिविटी क्या होगी? एक एज निकालनी होगी ना, ग्राफ को डिस्कनेक्ट करने आपको एक ही एज निकालनी होगी. मींस एवरी एज आर नोन एज अ कट सेट ऑफ दिस ग्राफ, एंड एवरी कट set is the single edge only, and therefore these are the cut set of this graph. Clear? So every tree, any tree with any number of vertex, cut edge connectivity of this graph always a 1. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. So here we'll keep up to this in this today's lecture. And second part of connectivity means vertex connectivity, that we'll discuss next time. And tomorrow there will be the MCQ test of unit number 4. Okay, काल अच्छा ना? हाँ. 10 questions will be there, okay, in the paper. All are in MCQ form. Clear? And you will get 20 to 30 minutes for the completion. Clear? During the lecture, we'll conduct this test online. Clear? During the lecture, we'll conduct this test. जे लोग आए present well for the time, okay, and they can give the exam. Clear?
So, sir.
I will share the link. Clear?
Sir, Google Form sir.
I will not share the link any of the WhatsApp group or any of the Telegram group. I will share the link of the exam to our meeting link, meeting chat only. Clear? એટલે જે લોકો present હશે, they can give the exam. Is it clear? Yes, Bhavik. Yes. અને જે
Sir,
લોકો
Google.
TC3 માં clear? TC3 માટે જો ખાલી, not for TC2. Only for TC3 student. જે લોકોએ recent માં admission લીધું છે, clear? એના માટે આપણે ફરીવાર એક્ઝામ ગોઠવીશું. ક્લિયર? એટલે અત્યારે કમ્પલ્સરી નથી તમારે આપવી કે ના આપવી, બટ જે લોકો કોન્ફિડન્સ છે કે હું આપી શકું એમ છું, they can give the exam. ક્લિયર? બટ ફોર TC3 જે લોકો રિસન્ટ એડમિશન લીધેલું છે એ લોકો માટે. ક્લિયર? મહિના દિવસ પહેલા લીધેલું છે એ લોકો માટે નહીં. મને ખ્યાલ છે કોને ક્યારે એડમિશન લીધેલું છે. ક્લિયર? એટલે એ લોકો માટે એમને બીજો ચાન્સ મળશે. ક્લિયર? નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ વિલ અરેન્જ ધ સેમ ક્વિઝ when we finish the revision part. Clear?
સર
Yes.
સર ઓલું સ્પાનિંગ ટ્રી શીખવું હતું તો એ ક્યારે પછી?
હા, હવે જ્યારે આપણે રિવાઇઝ કરશું ને ત્યારે એમાં આવશે યુનિટ નંબર 4 માં. એટલે થોડોક ટાઈમ લાગશે. યુનિટ નું 4 નું રિવિઝન કરશું ને ત્યારે આપણે એમાં શીખવા દઈશું.
ઓકે સર.
એટલે થોડુંક શીખવા મળશે ફોર TC3 સ્ટુડન્ટ. એટલે એક્ઝામ આપજો એમ થોડુંક વાંચ લેજો. યુ હેવ ઓલરેડી ધ PDF ફાઇલ ઓફ યુનિટ નંબર 4. ઓકે, સો જસ્ટ રીડ ઇટ. ઓકે, ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇઝી, નોટ ડિફિકલ્ટ. ક્લિયર? બટ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ
સર
કમ્પલસરી ટુ ગીવ ધ એક્ઝામ. ઓકે, જે લોકો ન્યુ એડમિશન છે એ લોકો માટે, રિસન્ટમાં કે જે લોકો 1 વીક પહેલા એડમિશન લીધેલું છે 1 કે 2 વીક પહેલા, એ લોકો માટે. ક્લિયર?
સર
યસ.
હા તો સર અમે 2 વાર એક્ઝામ દઈ શકી? માન કે કાલની પછી અમારા માટે નિવારણ થાય તો 2 દઈ શકી?
ના, તમને કોન્ફિડન્સ હોય તો જ એક્ઝામ આપવાની, નહીંતર નહીં આપવાની.
ઓકે, એટલે કન્સિડર એકના જ માર્ક થાય ને?
એટલા કન્સિડર કરજો. ક્લિયર?
ઓ, તો સિલેબસ?
ચાન્સ નહીં મળે. ક્લિયર? કાં તો કાલે આપવાની છે, નહીંતર નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ જ્યારે અરેન્જ કરીએ ત્યારે આપવાની.
ઓકે, તો સેમ સિલેબસ રહેશે ને તેના માટે?
ક્લિયર? કાં તો કાલે આપવાની. ઇફ યુ હેવ કોન્ફિડન્સ ટુ અટેમ્પ્ટ ધીસ ઓલ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ, then you can attempt the exam. Clear? If you know any confidence, clear, then you can, yeah,
સિલેબસ સેમ જ રહેશે ને સર?
same.
ઓકે સર, તો આના માટે કયો છે કાલ માટે સિલેબસ?
કાલ માટે છે યુનિટ નંબર 4. આપણે 1 વીક પહેલા વાત કરી આ બધાની. સિલેબસ શું રહેશે, શું હશે.
ઓકે.
ચાલો, રોલ નંબર 87. ચાલો સાયલેન્ટ. નંબર 87, 88, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 107, 108, 109, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
Yes, sir.
34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 51, 64, 64, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, sorry, 105 is there. Okay, from DC3 roll number 1, number 2, 3, 4, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, Devans, Joshi, 32,
Yes, sir.
33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. That's it. Okay. Any remaining? Thank you all. You may left now. 87.